We will be joining Yuval Spector, mechanical engineer, carrying case design and manufacturing expert, and the CEO of the global manufacturing company Shellcase. Yuval's talking with us about confronting complex engineering challenges with creativity and curiosity, and how Shellcase's approach to custom case design for medical device cases has made them an industry leader. Yuval, thank you so much for joining us today. Why is it important for device manufacturers to engage a custom design company?
Well, full control over material selections ensures they are not only durable but also able to withstand repeating, cleaning, or even be biocompatible. And the design is completely optimized for a specific device and application. This means improved ergonomics, branding, and functionality.
And what sets Shellcase apart from your competitors?
Shellcase offers extensive experience in the medical device field. Over the years, we have guided hundreds of custom case projects from initial concept to production under ISO 13485. And unlike other manufacturers, which are typically limited to a single technology like aluminum or injection molding, we utilized diverse capabilities, including textile, plastic injection, thermoforming, vacuum forming, blow molding, and more.
When is the right time for a medical device manufacturer to engage your company in the design of their own cases?
In my experience, it is never too early to start thinking about carrying cases. I recommend starting in the early design phase of the device for two main reasons. First, schedule. Developing a sophisticated custom case takes time, just like the device itself. Integrating the case into the development validation process ensures timely project completion. Second, early collaboration allows us to innovate together. By designing the case alongside the device, we can create truly integrated solution that enhances functionality, usability, and even improve certain aspects of the device itself.
How do you offer these custom solutions but stay within a reasonable budget?
By choosing the technology, the material, and the features, we can actually control the unit price and in many cases be more cost-effective even compared to off-the-shelf solutions.
Yuval Spector of Shellcase, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Ben.